In this tutorial, we are going to add a picture to this question um, in this text box here. I have a question here: what is the name of the actress in the 1953 film noir, The Big Heat? Correct answer is Gloria Graham, but I have incorrect answers of Audrey Hepburn, Katharine Hepburn, and Julie Andrews. Now, assuming that the picture has been downloaded, saved to your computer or hard drive, so we're going to choose the Insert Stuff box, and we're going to choose the My Computer. Since it's on my computer, I'm going to click the Choose File and navigate to the file where it is. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to click the Upload option. I'm going to click Save. And here I'm going to have the I have to choose some link text, and I'm just going to type in a word here so that it satisfies it, and then I'm going to click Insert. Okay. And at this point, I've got my picture in here of Gloria Graham from The Big Heat. And at this point, I can click the Save button, which is below my download button. Here it is. Click Save, and I am done.